Hi everyone, I'm Caroline, a Senior Principal Physiotherapist. Bringing a new life into the world is an incredible journey, and taking care of yourself is just as important as caring for your little one. Postnatal exercise is a gentle way to aid your body's recovery. It boosts your mood and helps you regain strength and energy for the days ahead. Today, we'll explore how to safely exercise after childbirth. Whether you're looking to rebuild your strength, increase your energy, or find precious moments just for yourself, these tips and exercises will guide you on this journey. Let's start by understanding the importance of postnatal physical activity. Your body has undergone tremendous changes, and staying active is one of the best ways to support your recovery. Regular physical activity can help minimize weight gain in the postpartum period, improve your cardiovascular health, and enhance your energy level, all without affecting your breast milk production. Staying active also works wonders for your mood. A common question new moms have is, when can I start exercising? First, you will need to get the green light from your doctor before you begin slowly and gently. For the first 6 weeks, focus on gentle exercises, especially pelvic floor workouts, which are safe to start right after birth with your doctor's clearance. These exercises are essential for recovery. They help improve core strength and support your bladder and bowel control. Start with short, gentle contractions of your pelvic floor muscles, taking your time as your body heals and rebuilds strength. As you progress, aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic physical activity spread across the week. Always listen to your body. If you experience any pain, discomfort, or heavy bleeding, take a step back and rest. Now, let's cover some important tips to safely resume exercising after childbirth. It's essential to keep a few key do's and don'ts in mind as you embark on this journey. Firstly, always warm up and cool down properly to prevent injuries and prepare your body for the movements ahead. Next, wear loose, comfortable clothing and proper footwear that can support your movements. Feeling good in what you wear can make a big difference in how you feel during your workout. As you start exercising, experiment with different positions and listen to your body. It knows what's best for you. Find activities that bring you joy and make you feel empowered. Most importantly, remember to keep yourself hydrated by drinking sufficient water before, during, and after exercise. Now, let's take note of a few things to avoid. It's best not to exercise right after a meal to prevent discomfort. If you feel any strain or heaviness in your back, stop and reassess your movement. And don't push beyond your ability. If you find yourself out of breath, it's a sign to slow down. Pelvic floor exercises are crucial for your postnatal recovery. Start with simple movements. Focus on control holds, gently tightening your pelvic floor muscles for about 1 to 5 seconds. Aim for 5 to 10 repetitions per set, ideally 3 sets each day. You can start while lying on your back, and as you grow stronger, gradually increase the hold duration. Think of it like building endurance. Feel the contraction, hold it, and then release. Use your pelvic floor muscles in your daily movements, especially before coughing, sneezing, or lifting anything. It's also vital to know about Diastasis Recti abdominis, or DRA, a condition involving the separation of your abdominal muscles that often happens during pregnancy. This gap can lead to core weakness and back pain, making it important to address through exercise. To manage DRA, start with simple movements like tummy tucks, gently pulling your belly button toward your spine while breathing gently. Once you feel comfortable, gradually progress to cardiovascular activities like walking, cycling, or swimming. After building your strength, you can introduce more core-focused exercises such as planks or Pilates. Back aches are common postpartum, especially with all the bending, lifting, and feeding. Focus on maintaining good posture when feeding, carrying, or picking up your baby. Keep your back straight, engage your core, and use your legs to lift, bringing your baby close to your body to reduce strain on your lower back. As you regain strength, gentle back strengthening exercises can enhance your routine, supporting your spine and improving your overall posture. Light stretches like gently bending to the side or arcing your back can relieve any tension, especially after holding certain positions for extended periods. And let's not forget, dads, you play an important role too. Supporting your partner's recovery is more than just helping with the workload. It's about encouraging her to take essential time for herself. Whether by watching the baby or joining in on exercises, This can strengthen family bonds and support her journey back to wellness. Exercising together can be fun and motivating, helping establish a regular activity routine as a couple. It's a wonderful way to bond and stay active while encouraging each other. Postnatal exercise is all about reconnecting with your body, gaining strength, and feeling good, both physically and mentally. Start slow, listen to your body, and take each step at your own pace. With each move you make, you are growing stronger. Every bit of movement is a positive step forward in your recovery journey. Embrace the time you spend on yourself, knowing that every effort counts. So take a breath, take a step, and embrace this journey, because you're not just doing this for yourself, you're doing it for your whole family. You've got this.